I've been looking for my baby in the searching. I've been looking for my baby in the searching. I've been looking for my baby in the sunshine.
I think the reason why having powwow in Long Beach is such an important thing is because powwow brings such an amazing, creative consciousness to wherever they go. By installing all the murals in each city that they go to, it just adds more to that city visually and culturally. It makes everything that much better. It's a place to go. The art itself becomes a destination within the city. The whole powwow event is an honor, first of all. To just be included in this bunch is, it's just amazing. And to work on a scale that Long Beach powwow murals are usually put at, it brings a form of excitement, a form of challenge. It's just amazing to be included. It definitely does feel like a family.
Hold me tenderly, and you will see. I'll prove it to you. My loving is sweet, yeah. Love, 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 love is a real sin. Come on now, my baby, and come on to me, yeah. Come on now, my baby, got something for you. Hold me tenderly, and you will see.
Hey Jordan, this is Deather. I just touched down to Long Beach and I wanted to see if you were available to film the process of a massive wall I'm taking down at the Long Beach Convention Center for powwow. Thanks, man. Let me know if you're down. Okay, peace.
Hey, my name is Jeff McMillan,
I'm Gary Musgrave.
and we are the Draculas. Cool thing is about powwow, you get reoccurring people that come back every day to see your process, and you get to talk to them. And in some sort of sense, they're part of this too. It's a community process where we're all kind of making it together, and it's just fun. It's just fun painting large, painting in public, and just building on something really big.
So Jeff really came up with this great idea for the overall layout. And then what I did was I took those elements from the drawing that he originally did and shifted them a little bit, trying to use those same building blocks to create a composition that I felt would help control the way that people look around and stuff. Thus, hopefully keeping them looking at the image for as long as possible. This is a Prince line, actually. This came from Prince. I had read it. He said that the thing that's missing out of pop music is the danger. And I always really like that statement. What I realized that I wanted for my own artwork, and I think that Jeff would agree on this, we have a great appreciation for classic illustrative art. And they had like a great technical ability, but there was also a certain amount of danger in their work. Like the story wasn't always a certain dangerousness to it, even though it's still fun and playful.
We're underneath Queens Mary Bridge right now on the aquarium side, and I decided to paint, well, they gave me this really cool spot by the water. I decided to do a 29-foot mural. We were able to rig up a dock, basically a floating barge that had 3 levels of scaff on it, and I painted from that for the last 3 or 4 days. It definitely was really challenging, you know, painting on this waterway. There's so many boats that go by and there's so much wake, and it was a fun piece to do though.
Army in a cave when I fail, bit of terraforming. 4 corners of paranormal, get joined for a thermos and parathermals in a warehouse. Airwares, dairy curdle, St. Vincent de Paul trying to square the circle.
You can tell they do it for the love of art, and it's one of the festivals I enjoy doing every year, and they know how to kind of do these large-scale festivals and still, you know, be genuine and take care of the artists.